Do you really want to learn Indian culture? I highly recommend to go to Indian temple. Visiting temple in India can offer cultural experience. They even offer free food in temple.
You love this one?
Also, trying Indian street food is a good way to explore India.
Amazing.
Okay, this is the story of my Indian trip.
To go out. Put this. Now it's comfortable. Oh, it's okay. Okay. Looking gorgeous.
You know, I really wanna explore temple in India, so I'm on my way to the temple with my friends.
I love it. Enjoy. Enjoy. With Dahi. You know, this is my first time to wear sari and go outside. And also I bought this one, shoes. I think shoes and these clothes is match well.
Yes.
Right. So that's why I love it.
Say hi, hello.
Yeah, hello.
Hello.
In
Marathi. Can you speak Marathi?
Marathi? Okay, Marathi.
Not like this Marathi.
मराठी मध्ये काय म्हणतात मला तू खूप आवडलेस
You can say I love you in Marathi. You can say मला तू आवडते.
Okay.
मला
Mala.
is called I love you.
Ah.
मला
Mala.
तू
Tu.
खूप आवडते.
Avati.
Yes. That's like I love you.
मला तुम्ही दोघे खूप आवडते
So we will go bus stop.
Yes.
Right? And then we take bus.
Second bus.
Second bus. But maybe bus is a little bit cloudy.
Yes.
Right.
Now we are the so many people on this bus, so this crowded.
Okay, I see.
Think you
Right.
comfortable, right?
Right.
You comfortable, huh?
Oh, now it's good. Right.
Are you sure?
Oh, I'm sure. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, I really like this color because when I was young, my favorite color is pink. Right, you know, right?
Yes, I
Many
know,
girls
because you
really.
say some sari like color. You can say you can show me pink color. Then what? That's right.
You know, many people
Then I-
really like
Pink color.
Yeah.
Because the colors look shine. So
Oh, yeah,
that's like
that's
pink
why.
color. Like shops.
this row
This row is good. Also, I wanna buy something like snake
Snacks.
because Indian snake is good, right?
Yes. It's starting like 5 rupees
Oh,
only.
only 5 rupees?
Yes. You can buy the snacks. Only 5 rupees. This chips, like chips. We are Indian food. It's so less than price because we are Indian. So many eating foods. They
Right.
are love food. So that's
India
less
love
price.
food, right.
Yes.
Right.
Mostly Indians like vegetable foods. So all not, but 50% people like vegetarian. So they are eat vegetarian food.
अरे पण
Wow.
They not.
While traveling in India, I am getting to know about the India. Okay, let's take a pause.
Here. Okay.
He's called you look beautiful.
Oh my god! Thank you! Thank you so much. You too beautiful.
ती तुम्हाला पण म्हणजे तुम्ही पण भारी दिसता. Same to you.
I love you.
He's called. He says you go carefully and I'll take you.
Okay, I will be careful. Thank you. Hello. Now we are in local bus, so I'm really excited. Now this bus is not crowded.
No.
Yeah, right.
This bus is not crowded.
So that's
we
why
were-
comfy.
Yes.
So I love this bus.
I think it's look like a Korean bus.
Oh, it's. You know, now we will go famous temple, so I'm really excited with my friends, right?
chicken was.
Oh, we can change. Wow.
Let's go.
Okay, okay. Bye bye.
Before we went to the temple, I tried new street food in India.
Yes, you can try.
Oh, yesterday. Oh, what is that?
Dahi Puri.
Ah, this one is like
Yes. I'll show you.
what is that?
Aloo tikki.
Aloo tikki.
Yes.
It's potato.
Ah, potato.
I don't know. Don't panic.
So cool.
You can try Dahi Puri.
Oh,
Dahi Puri.
I will try. Okay, okay. What is
Dahi Puri.
this one? Is yogurt. Wow.
एक दही पूरी द्या.
Take Dahi Puri.
Do you know Dahi Puri? Dahi Puri is popular street food in India. Before I came to India, I only know about the Pani Puri. Do you know how to make a Dahi Puri? Dahi Puri is more special than Pani Puri. First, they make a hole in the center of 6 puris.
Whoa, what is that? Why you?
का तुम्ही दाबताय ते सांग.
Inside, they fill with the mixture of the mashed potatoes. And then they put the spicy and tangy chutney as well.
तिखट टाकले तर अवघड आपल्या टाकले रगडो ना की देते ना भैया
Wow, this one? Whoa, looks so good.
Wow, final topping is a lot of yogurt. I got it. Thai means yogurt at the time.
I can try like that? Wow, it looks so good. Wow. Okay, let's try. Wow, they have so many ingredients. Like yogurt, let's try.
होता है क्या
Wow, it's really acha. Yours? You know, this one is better than this one for me. Because it's sweet. Let's try it together. Cheers. And then I love this one. Amazing. This one is really good. What is this? That's my turn. Oh, it's okay? Sorry!
This small, so you can eat a big bite.
Wow, this one is best Pani Puri. Dahi Puri?
Yes, dahi puri.
Dahi Puri. Wow, this is the best Dahi Puri. Wow. You love this one? You want more?
No.
Very big bite.
Why? What is different?
You can try this.
Oh,
Ingredients different now.
this one is spicy.
No, it's not spicy.
How is it?
No, medium.
Medium.
I love it. Also, this one is really good.
Yes, this is a normal pani puri.
Normal Pani Puri. And this one is like,
Dahi puri special.
which one is do you like?
कोणता आवडला?
This one? You too? How about you? You too?
Both.
I love this one.
Why I love Thai Puri is that I love yogurt topping a lot.
Wow. Inside so many flavors. Wow, this is my favorite.
Favorite.
Nice, huh?
we arrived temple.
Now you have it.
Ah, okay.
You know, I don't know much about the temples because this is my first time visiting a temple. Before entering the temple, everyone is required to remove shoes because this makes you cleaner and is sign of the respect. Also, you can find the bell near the entrance. People ring the bell before going inside. It's like looking on the door to say you are arrived. Temples are like homes of the god. The next step is showing respect. This involves bowing down and touch your head to the ground in the temple. It's a way of being humble and remembering to treat the space with respect. Before I came here, I didn't know about them. So I think I have to learn everything I need to know. Also, you can find free food in here. I heard that many temples offer free food in India. I was surprised.
That's what it Oh.
Also, I got the free food in here.
You can.
Okay.
Before you eat some food, you can wash your hands in here. Let's try food in here.
Like this. And then? Good. It's like Korean.
Korean rice, na?
Rice was healthy taste, so I think everyone will enjoy this meal. After eating food, I took a picture. This was the most amazing experience for me. When I came to the temple wearing the sari, I felt like an Indian. If you enter the temple, you will see statue of God called Muti. It was so nice to have a new experience in here. Hindus usually bring flower, fruits, or other items as offering to the temple deity.
What is that?
It's a kind of sweet.
Oh, sweet candy.
Your friend.
Oh, my friend. Wow. Bye. Now I will go home quickly. Today I had a great time in here. You know, my friend is really kind.